Alright, I located the noise. It's gonna go lie around me. There it is. That's the backing plate, so I'm gonna give it a little love tap. A little love push, not love tapping. Now some of the noise is the brake pad hitting the rotor. It's had an issue where the opposite side had seized sliders. Somebody else had put brakes on it. Somebody else put brakes on it. I just replaced the sliders. I replaced them on both sides, I believe. There was a stretch of cars where it was like every week I was putting new sliders in. I can't remember if it was this one or there's an Acura that I did that I only did one side and that was locked up, but I can't remember if this was the car or not. But that sounds like it's going. I'm trying to push, I'm trying to load it a little. I don't feel any play in the bearing. That noise is the brake pads touching the rotor, but it's not as harsh as the other one. The other side had a similar noise like that, and I did the same thing. I pushed back the dust boot. So now I want to take it for another road test, and hopefully that takes care of it and I don't have to take the wheel off. Right now it's not raining, but I bet you if I have to take that wheel off, it'll start pouring again. Well, I tell you, it started raining again. I do have the sensor hooked up again. Why not, right? Actually, use this kind of like a stand for me, and I can put my tablet right there. How about that? Let's change 2 seconds per division. All right, that should be good. And let's back out of the driveway. I have no idea if I fixed it or not, but that's what you do when you experiment. Come on, I don't feel like putting my seatbelt on for this 2 seconds. Yep, it's gone. Noise is gone. That's all it was. There's a left turn. Noise is gone. It's all fixed. And all that noise you're seeing there is road noise. There's a lot of bumps. A lot of bumps. So I'm going to take a turn here. It wants me to put my seatbelt on, but I'm not. No noise. There's a left turn. Zigzagging. That is all bumps. There's a lot of bumps here. But as you can see from the last video, using the sensors, it spiked pretty high. So all that's just bumps in the road that I'm reading. Sweet. Alright. I actually lucked out because it's pouring again. All I have to do now is I'm going to add some washer fluid make sure that the sealant that I used is good. And that's it for now. Pretty much close to a full bottle. This is all I got on hand, but I'll throw this in, see if it leaks. It's pouring. I don't even know if this is gonna let me turn my light on, but yeah, it won't let me turn my light on. Let me get my flashlight. Alright, got my flashlight. Let's see what I can do. No more leak. It is dry. Right there is where it was leaking. Right there. No more leak. Okay. Let's say I'm done. And that's working as well. Another rainy day. Working on cars outside. Gotta love it.